Hi guys, welcome back to Budget Love. If you haven't subscribed, go do so right now. Don't forget to like and share this video. Okay guys, so this is a new month. I hope you guys have already created your budget. If not, I have two videos on how to create a budget using two different methods. I will put the links in the description. Anyway, so this is a new month and I wanted to kind of like start a saving money challenge. There's a lot of challenges going around, so we may as well do one that would be beneficial for us. Anyway, so there are 31 days in May. So the goal is to save $1 a day. Okay. So we're just gonna pretend that today's May 1st. So there's two ways you can do it. So you can $1 a day. So you can put the money in a jar. So I got this at Dollar Tree. So every day you put $1 in it, okay, for the entire month of May. So, and make sure you put so once you put the money in it, make sure you put the jar somewhere you know that you're not gonna be able to, well, not somewhere that you know that you're not gonna go often, so that you don't have so that you don't want to spend the money. The second way you can do it is, okay, well, if you don't want to do like a cash challenge, you can do like in your bank, like on your bank account. So you can do like, okay, well, every time you get paid, so you transfer the amount of so let's say you get paid every week, so you transfer like $7 to your to a savings account. Don't touch that money, don't do anything with it. So that's pretty much it. So every day put $1 away for the entire month of May, and yeah, and I'll check with you guys at the end of the month. Alright, that's all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like, share, comment any questions that you have. Alright, bye, see you guys next time.